Hey everybody, it's Thomas here. Today we're going to be discussing how you can tell whether your Apple device was new, refurbished, a replacement model from the Apple Store, or a customized device. Let's get into it. What's up you guys? Before I get into the video, I just want to say if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Here we cover everything Apple, software updates, cool new apps, jailbreaking, and all kinds of stuff. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button to be notified whenever we post awesome new content. Anyways, how do you tell whether your device was new, refurbished, personalized, or a replacement model? It's pretty easy. So you're going to need to go onto your iPhone or iPad and open up Settings. Then open General, and then open up About. Here you should see your device's model number. Your model number will start with one letter, either an M, an N, an F, or a P. Mine, for example, starts with an F. Now this letter corresponds with these four categories. M is new, F is refurbished, N is replacement, and P is personalized. So since my device has an F, it means it's a refurbished device, certified refurbished from Apple. If your device has an M, you bought it brand new from Apple. If your device has an N, it's a replacement device from the Apple Store. For example, if your phone breaks and you take it to them and pay for a replacement, your device will have an N at the front of your model number. And if your device starts with a P, it means it's a personalized device and it has like an engraving or something like that. Alright guys, I really do hope that this video helped you out. And if it did, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below if you have any questions. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye.